How to sign into Amazon Alexa. Signing into Alexa is quick and easy, and you even won't have to create an account if you have existing Amazon account. So hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. So first thing first, open Amazon Alexa app, and here you will see two different options. If you have any other Amazon app on your device and you are signed into it, then it will automatically detect the account. Then here on top it will show you your email address that you are signed into. Then all you need to do is simply tap and continue on bottom of your screen. Or else if you want to use a different account, then simply tap and use a different account option. Here due to some security reasons, Amazon won't let me to screen record the process once I tap use different account. So once you tap on it, you will see two different options, either create an account or log into it. If you want to create a new account, all it asks is your email address and to create a password. So once you create it, it will send you a verification code on your Gmail. So simply you will need to verify that. Or else if you just want to log into another existing Amazon account, then simply tap on login and then enter your email and then password. So this is how you can sign into Amazon Alexa app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.